To fix Robinhood identity verification not working, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the Robinhood app. If you are using a web browser, try updating it or switching to a different browser. Next, check if your account is locked or restricted, as this can prevent identity verification. If it is, contact Robinhood support to resolve the issue. Then, verify that the information you entered for identity verification is accurate and matches the details on your government-issued ID. A common issue is the photo or document upload not being clear or legible. Make sure the images are clear, well lit, and in focus. If you are still having trouble, try taking new photos or scanning your documents instead of using your phone's camera. Another step is to check if your ID is expired or has been replaced. If so, you will need to upload a new valid ID. Additionally, some states or countries may have specific requirements for identity verification, so be sure to check Robinhood's website for any additional documentation needed. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting the identity verification process from the beginning. This will give you a fresh start and may help you identify any mistakes or issues that were causing the problem. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and are still having trouble, contact Robinhood support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more specific guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly solve the problem and complete the identity verification process on Robinhood.